The test we're going to perform today is calcium hardness. This calcium component is only one part of total hardness, which is comprised of calcium and magnesium. There's papers that describe why you might want to look at calcium and magnesium, but as we do the test today, know that this is just the calcium component of total hardness. The test kit we're going to be using today is from Taylor Technologies. This test kit is nicely color coordinated for that test specifically. So everything's got blue in it, blue cap, and labeled accordingly. First thing we're going to do is we're going to fill up our sample size according to what I believe the scale is going to be of hardness. So I'm going to fill to the 25 milliliter mark. We're going to want to make sure that we get the bottom of the meniscus to be right at the line. So that bottom of the bubble is going to be where we make that measurement. First thing we're going to do is add hardness buffer. Per the instructions, we're going to add 5 drops and count as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix that gently as not to spill any. The next thing of this test is to take 1 level scoop of this indicating powder. As we watch the color change, if it's blue, we know that there's no calcium hardness present. So by this sample, we don't have to do any titration of calcium. Most likely that all the hardness is thusly magnesium. I need a different water sample. All right, and I'm back. I grabbed a sample that will not turn blue this time and will hopefully have some calcium hardness present. So starting back over, I'm going to add water to the 25 milliliter line. Again, making sure the bottom of that bubble is the place that I'm reading from. The next step is to grab my calcium buffer and add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to swirl that mixture gently as not to spill any, and then add my calcium indicating powder. 1 level scoop. The sample will turn pink if there is calcium hardness present, and it will turn blue if that is lacking calcium hardness. The next step is I'm going to take my reagent and I'm going to count drop-wise how many drops it takes to turn this solution blue, and swirl as you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And with that, it's turned from the pink color to blue. I will have to say about the calcium one in particular, that total hardness is easier to read. This one may look a purplish blue color when it transitions from pink to blue. I will take my 31 droplets, and based on the 25 mils of incoming water sample, I know that I have 310 ppm. Simple multiplication, each drop was 10 ppm of hardness. I'm going to write that down. If you're looking to get this into grains per gallon, the simple math is to take that 310 ppm and divide it by 17.1 to convert that into a reading shown on the screen. With that being said, that concludes the calcium hardness test. Thank you.